Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is January 4th, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, and also Nasdaq. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So VIX is coming down a little bit, so we are down 0.89, that's 3.89%, closed at 22. If we look at the chart a little bit to understand the context, so we see that we have been into a very small bullish channel right here. So we are making higher lows, the lows are getting higher, the lows are getting higher. But now we are coming back down a little bit. We are pretty much right smack on this support right here. So the jury is still out. Are we going to break down tomorrow or the rest of the week? Or are we going to bounce back up? If we look at stochastic, which is basically zooming out a little bit of all the candles that we see, red, green, red, green, red, green, it can be confusing to look at all of these candles. This is why it's always nice to have some indicators that are going to streamline all of the noise and tell us what is really going on. So stochastic is playing that role, and stochastic is below 60. So from a stochastic perspective, we should be going down. We should be going down, but we are still above support. We have support that is telling us that things are still above it. And we have a stochastic that is telling us things should be going down because there is no force in that stock slash index slash chart. So basically, we have to wait for a few more candles in order to see what the VIX is going to do. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, because of this move down in the VIX, this is propping up the stock market a little bit. We can see, you see here, we have a little bit of a support. We are continuing on this support, and we are also continuing on this horizontal support that we have right here. We are not making a higher high than what we had on December 21st. So we are in a very small congestion zone right here, and we are basically going sideways. There's no stochastic over 60, so we don't have much force in that index yet. It's going sideways, and this is pretty much what we can say. And we are still into this downward trend. So Dow Jones is into a downward trend, a short-term downward trend. Let's take a look at S&P 500. Pretty much the same thing. So we made a higher low today. That's the main event. We still made a lower high, and we are basically still sideways between 3,800 and 3,902. Stochastic increasing a little bit at 26, but nothing very strong. Let's look at Nasdaq Composite. Nasdaq Composite made a lower high, made a higher low. So basically a sideways day with stochastic at 18. We still don't have great moves in the market. It's basically just a sideways day. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.